The simplest expressions for 2 to the 40 over 4 to the 20 is, again, first step is to identify what topic this is from. This topic is exponents. So, let's review natin yung mga laws on exponents. First rule or product rule. Let's identify muna yung parts ng ano ba to? Mga to. Okay. So, B here, ito yung base niya. M is the exponent, and then 2 together, B to the M, it's a power. So, product rule means here na, ano ang result? We multiply 2 powers. Yung 2 powers, B to the M and B to the N. Tsaka, pareho sila ng base. So, gagawin lang is just add the exponents, copy the base. So, B equals M plus N. Yun lang. Next is the quotient rule, division. So, B to the M over B to the N equals, ito pareho pala ng base, right? Same base. Gagawin dito, you subtract their exponents. So, M minus N. So, B to the M minus N. Of course, ang assumption dito is base not equal to 0. Because you cannot divide by 0. Power. Ano yung power? Ito. Meron kang power. Tapos, erase mo siya sa another exponent. So, B to the M raised to the N. Ang gagawin dito, just multiply the exponents. So, B to the M, N. And then, finally, power of a product. Ito. Isa lang yung exponent, pero product. Dito, dalawang powers to. Dito, isa lang. Isang power lang. Isang exponent lang. Yun nga lang. May factors sa loob. So, anong gagawin pag ganito? Gagawin dito, parang distribute mo yung power exponent. B to the M, C to the M. So, these are the laws of exponents. Then, tingnan natin kung saan dito ang ma-apply sa problem. First step here is to identify kung ano yung base at saka exponents. Ang numerator at saka denominator. So, sa 2 to the 40, yung numerator, ang base niya is 2. Right? Base is 2. Ito. At saka yung exponent is 40. Sa denominator naman, yung base is 4. Tsaka yung exponent is 20. So, kita natin dito na iba yung base nila. Different bases. Okay, iba yung base nila, ibig sabihin, hindi pa natin pwedeng i-apply yung quotient rule. Kasi ang requirement para ma-apply yung quotient rule, dapat pareho sila ng base. Dito, kaiba sila ng base. So, express muna natin si 4 as product of 2 and 2. Because 4 is 2 times 2. Gamitin natin yan. So, 4 to the 20. Kasi 4 can be written as 2 times 2. So, substitute 4, 2 times 2, 20. And then, next, gamitin natin yung power of a product. Power of a product. So, power of a product. B times C raised to the M. Power of a product, i-distribute mo lang yung exponent. And then, pareho sila ng base. This is the product rule, right? Pareho ng base. So, ang gagawin natin pag ganito, these two powers have the same base. I-add lang natin yung exponents nila. So, that's 2 raised to the 20 plus 20, 2 to the 40. So, copy the numerator. Now, anong nakita natin? We've shown that 4 to the 20 equals 2 to the 40. So, just substitute that. 2 to the 40. Of course, any non-zero number divided by itself is equal to 1. So, that's equal to 1. The answer is